And I'm going to do my best to show you this with that little sight glass on the top of my wand here. See how it started white? Now it's a different color. Now that I get closer to the door, it's basically dark brown almost. Even on my dry stroke. Move over a little bit. You can see white. Apologize for the shaky camera, but I just wanted to show you guys what is coming out of this carpet. Visually you can't see so much of a change in some areas, but I'm watching that sight glass on the carpet wand and you can see just dark water popping through even on the dry stroke. So when I see that, I do an extra pass over with this little edge piece. See how brown that water is? Lets me know I'm getting everything out and that I can move along to the next spot. So I'm doing extra right here because this is a room built off the garage. So you're walking off of a dirt pathway area and the concrete inside of here. So naturally, this rug is going to get hit really hard. So even though this is all the room, it was 23 by 13. Spent extra time on it because it was really in bad shape and needed some extra clean swipes over and dry strokes to really clean it up and make sure that everything's been pulled from it. So another tool we use to make sure we're getting everything we can out of your carpets is by watching that sight glass on the head of the wand. Shows us if we're getting white back through it, which is the color of the cleaner, or if it's still dirt or whatever else is in the carpet. You usually see the different colors coming through, and then we know when to move along. Almost done here. This one's coming out really well, so I'm excited about this one. The client has already popped his head in and taken a look and complimented on how well it changed. So that's always my favorite part of the job, is client reaction. I love to make people happy in the sense of how our service at Block Diamond Services is for each person. So he wasn't even done yet. I still had this hole about 5 foot wide by 13, of course, from that wall to here left when he looked, and you could see the transition from the dirty to clean area, and he was quite happy with what he was seeing. So I'm thankful for my clients, and I'm glad that I can help them out and get their carpet cleaning needs taken care of. Again, I'm thankful for those that are just watching, that are in different areas that are outside of our coverage, that just enjoy watching these videos. I appreciate you too as well. When you subscribe, share, or comment on my videos, when I reach a certain amount of subscribers, I'm going to actually be able to earn money off of this. And even though you're not using my cleaning services, just know that you're still supporting my family We are a family-owned business, so when you get to a certain amount of subscribers, your videos can become monetized. That's why you see ads, or if you pay for YouTube so you don't have to watch ads, a part of that goes to people who make videos. It allows them to make an income off of it, and that directly supports my family and my boys, and allows us to keep doing what we do, and allows me to grow with my business. So I greatly appreciate you that are watching and have made it this far through this video, or even checked out previous videos of mine. My current subscribers, to anybody that's new to my YouTube page, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please leave a comment with your thoughts, what you want to see, and I will try and make videos for you when I can, when the certain jobs show up. Besides a few burn marks, but one over there that you can kind of see, a little something there. That was a burn mark. The client just actually gave me more information on it. Said whoever lived here did smoke inside, smoked weed, because they must have aired it out pretty well, because you can't smell it in here, thankfully, so you didn't have to do any extra odor removal or anything like that, just get the carpet clean. But that's what that came from. And then there were some miscellaneous spots that were either makeup or that's over in the far corner. And of course you see those indentations and other things there from where they had their furniture and whatnot. But outside of those, this carpet is nice and clean. Thank you again, everybody. Have a fantastic day.